Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stay signed in into your EA Sports account on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the EA app on your PC. This is where you log in to play EA Sports game. Now, when the login screen appears, type in your email and password right below the login box. You will see a small option that says keep me sign in, or sometimes it says remember me. Make sure to click the checkbox next to it. This tells the app to save your login details so you don't have to type them every time. After that, go ahead and press the sign in button. If you have checked the box, the next time you open the EA app, it should be signing automatically. If EA app keeps signing out, check your internet connection and also make sure your antivirus or firewall isn't blocking EA. Sometimes clearing the cache inside the EA app settings can also fix things, and that's it. By selecting keep me signing and keeping your app updated, you will stay logged in and jump straight into your EA sports games without extra steps. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.